Hi everyone. In previous class we have seen a problem on individual and group replacement. Now let us solve one more problem in that model. So here the data is given as determine the optimum replacement policy for the data given below. So group replacement cost is 20 rupees per unit and individual replacement cost is 90 rupees per unit, and the total number of units are 1000 and the mortality data was given. So interval of time period in hours. So previous problem it was given in months and now here it was given in terms of hours, 0 to 200 hours, 200 to 400, 400.1 and like that it was given, and the probability of failure, so it was given. So in previous the percentage of failing was given, so from that we have find out the probability of failure, and now here the probability of failure was directly given. So that means P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5 values are directly given to us. And if you cross check and if you make a sum of these probabilities, so that means you will get the total value as 1. So we will get the sum of probabilities as 1. So now let us no need to find the individually the P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5 values. So directly let us get into the solution of the problem. So now what is the data given to us? Write that. So total number of units was given. So that is N0 and that equals to 1000 units. That was already given. And next the probability values were given to us. So write them. P1 equals to 0. P2 is 0.06. P3 0.3, P4 0.48 and P5 value is 0.16. If you sum all of those values you will get 1. Right. Now what is the next thing we need to find? The cost of individual replacement. So let us find the cost of individual replacement. So how to find the cost of individual replacement? It is equals to total number of items by expected life of each item into cost of individual replacement. So let us find expected life of each item is equals to sigma xi into pxi. So where xi value varies from 1 to how many time intervals were given? 5 time intervals. So that equals to 1p1 plus 2p2 plus 3p3 plus 4p4 plus 5p5. So now all p1, p2, p3, p4, p5 values we know. So if you substitute that, you will get 3.74. Now let us find the cost of individual replacement. So cost of individual replacement is equals to total number of items by expected life of each item into cost of individual item is equals to total items are 1000 by expected life is 3.74 hours into cost of individual item is 90 rupees was given. So the value is equals to rupees 24064.17. So this one is the cost of individual replacement, and let us find the cost of group replacement. So cost of group replacement. So here we need to find the values of n1, n2, n3, n4 and n5. So n1 is equals to n0 into p1. So the value is equals to, if you substitute all values, you will get 0. As p1 is 0, you will get n1 also 0. Next, n2 is equals to n0 into p2 plus n1 into p1. And if you substitute those values, you will get 60. Similarly, calculate n3. So n3 is equals to n0 into p3 plus n1 into p2 plus n2 into p1. So if you substitute all the values, you will get n3 is equals to 300. Similarly, we need to find n4 and n5 values. So n4 is equals to n0 into p4 plus n1 into p3 plus n2 p2 plus n3 p1. Substitute all values, then you will get n4 is equals to 483.6. So the nearer value is 484 if you round off that. Next, calculate n5, that is n0 into p5 plus n1 into p4 plus n2 p3 plus n3 p2 plus n4 p1. If you substitute all values, then we will get 196. So we have find out the all values from n1 to n5. Let us find the average cost of group replacement. So the average cost of replacement in the first time interval, that is 0 to 200 hours. So number of units are failing, that is n1 equals to 0. So cost of number of units up to first time interval 0. Cost of replacement 0 into 90, 0. Cost of group replacement, so 1000 items are there. So the group replacement cost is, already it was given 20 rupees. So that is equals to, we will get 20,000 rupees. Total cost equals to 0 plus 20,000. So we will get 20,000. The average cost is 20,000 by 1. We will get 20,000. And next, let us calculate for the second time interval. So that is only in second time interval n2, how many are failing? 60. Up to second time interval 0 plus 60 equals to 60. Individual replacement 60 into 90, that equals to how much we will get? 5,400. Group replacement 20,000, this one is fixed, and total cost is 25,400. Average cost 25,400 by 2, then we will get 12,700. And next, let us calculate this for the third month. Only in third month how many items are failing? That is 300. Up to third month means 60 plus 300, that is 360. cost of individual replacement is 360 into 90. So how much we will get? 32,400, and the group replacement is 20,000. Total cost 52,400. Average cost 52,400 by 3, we will get 17,467. Next, fourth month, let us calculate. So only in fourth month, how many items are failing? 484. So up to fourth month means 360 plus 484. We will get 844. Cost of individual replacement 844 into 90. So we will get 75,960. Group replacement 20,000. Total cost 95,960. Average cost 95,960 by 4, 23,990. Next, let us calculate for the last time interval, fifth one. That is, only in fifth month how many items are failing means 196. So up to fifth time interval, 844 plus 196 is equals to 1040, and the cost of individual is 1040 into 90. So we will get 93,600, and group wise 20,000. Total cost 1,13,600, and the average cost is 22,720. That is 1,13,600 by 5. We will get that one. So what is the minimum value in this one? 12,700. 12,700. So but what is the cost of individual replacement? That is equals to 24,000. But the average cost of group is 12,700. So which policy is best one means the optimal policy is group replacement, and we have to done at the end of second time interval. Let us write that one as average cost of group replacement what is the value? 12,700 rupees is less than individual replacement cost, that is 24,064.17 rupees. Hence we adopt group replacement policy at the end of every second interval. అంటే ప్రతి 2 ఇంటర్వెల్స్కి ఒకసారి గ్రూప్ రీప్లేస్మెంట్ అనే దాన్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తాం. రైట్? సో దట్ ఈస్ ది సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ది గివెన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. So I hope you understand this one also. Right? Thank you.